You don't oversleep because you're lazy. You oversleep because your day doesn't feel exciting enough to wake up for. And I know that might sting a little, but stay with me. What if I told you that the same restless energy that keeps you up late scrolling could actually be the key to getting out of bed with purpose? That's what we're talking about today. How to flip FOMO from something that drains you into something that drives you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use FOMO to win your mornings and protect your energy before burnout even starts. Because what if the problem isn't your mornings, that it's your motivation? Think about how your mornings usually go. You wake up, you hit snooze once, twice, maybe 3 times, and each time your brain whispers just a few more minutes. But when you finally get up, guilt's already waiting at the door. You start your day behind, and that feeling follows you everywhere. You tell yourself, tomorrow I'll do better. But tomorrow feels just like today. Because the truth is, discipline isn't enough when your day doesn't mean anything to you. But tomorrow never changes, because the problem isn't your alarm clock, it's your anticipation. So maybe the fix isn't waking up earlier. Maybe it's giving yourself a reason to wake up at all. We keep trying to fix oversleeping with punishment. We say, I just need to try harder. We download new alarm apps, new sounds, move the phone across the room, even buy sunrise lights, hoping they'll force us up. But here's what no one talks about. You can't out-discipline emotional disconnection. You can't force yourself out of bed when you've lost your reason to get up. This truth might sting a little too. You're not tired. You're uninspired. Your brain wakes up for what it wants, not what it should. So if your mornings feel meaningless, it's not a lack of willpower. It's a lack of anticipation. That's where the twist comes in. You can actually use FOMO, not the toxic kind that makes you compare, but a healthy kind that makes you care. So how do you actually turn FOMO into something that helps you instead of hurts you? Because what if the same fear that kept you scrolling could start working for you instead of against you? I call it motivational FOMO, fear of missing my own momentum. It's the shift from fearing you'll miss what others are doing to fearing you'll miss the life you could be living. Instead of asking, what am I missing out on? Ask, what am I missing by staying asleep? That small change rewires your brain to see mornings as opportunities, not obligations. And that's when everything changes. Because the minute you stop chasing others, your energy finally starts chasing you. Now, let's turn this idea into something you can actually do tomorrow morning. Create a morning ritual. Start with something small that makes you look forward to getting up. Maybe it's listening to your favorite playlist for 20 minutes, or stretching or working out for 20 minutes. Or maybe it's just a couple cups of coffee, or just even a 5-minute break of quiet before the world starts talking. Give your brain a reason to wake up happy. The second is to build momentum using the 8 areas of wellness. Each morning, take one small action in 1 or even 2 areas of wellness. These tiny wins rebuild balance and help you break free from burnout before it even starts. Start with physical wellness. Stretch every part of your body for 5 minutes to wake up your muscles and circulation before your mind even starts racing. For intellectual wellness, read a single paragraph from a book that challenges you, or write down one question you'd like to answer today. It's about sparking curiosity instead of comparison. Emotional wellness means checking in before the world tells you how to feel. Write one honest line beginning with, "Today I feel," and notice what comes out. When it comes to financial wellness, take 30 seconds to glance at your spending plan or track one small expense. Awareness can bring calm. For occupational wellness, pick one meaningful task you'll finish today. Not a long list, just one action that moves your work forward. Social wellness might be as simple as sending a quick message to thank, encourage, or check in with someone you care about. That tiny connection can reset your energy faster than caffeine. For spiritual wellness that's not religious, take a quiet moment to breathe and ask, what would make today meaningful to me? It's how you align with purpose rather than pressure. And don't forget environmental wellness. This is the area around us that we live in. Pick one small section of your living area to organize and clean it up. Your desk, your closet, even just a drawer. Order in your surroundings creates calm in your mind. That's it. Simple, doable, and designed to remind you that progress doesn't have to be heavy. One small step in any area is all it takes to start your day with balance and intention. These tiny steps tell your brain, I'm in motion, and I don't want to miss this moment. Because momentum creates meaning, and meaning is what keeps burnout away. When you start using FOMO to build momentum instead of comparison, you stop fighting your mornings and start winning them. And once your mornings start working for you, you'll notice something incredible. Burnout doesn't just fade, it never even starts. Because every morning you take back is one less day that burnout gets to control. And if you're the kind of person who's ready to make mornings something you actually look forward to, not dread, you'll fit right in here. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video in this series. We're building a community that doesn't just survive the day, we start it with purpose. If you're ready to turn these small wins into lasting change, check out my book, Break Free from Burnout. Inside, you'll find practical tools to build motivation, protect your energy, and transform your daily routines into a source of strength, not stress. You can download your PDF copy at Uninspired.com or find a link below if you want the hard copy on Amazon. Remember, you don't wake up early to impress anyone. You do it to meet yourself again. Every morning you rise with purpose. You rise above burnout. In this next video, I'll show you exactly how mastering your mornings builds the kind of resilience that keeps burnout out of your life for good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.